all of that could be adding up to, because you look at some of these numbers, this is more rain in a couple of days than some of these areas would expect for the entire month of October.
And it would be one thing as an event on its own, but we've had several days just this week. We were talking with the National Weather Service out of Charleston, where they had some flash flooding yesterday because of some of the showers that they had. So on top of everything else, this is going to be devastating, potentially devastating in a lot of places. So when you look at that model and where that rain band sets up, it's reminiscent of lake effect, right? Where you find that spot that's where it sets up over and it just adds and adds up and adds up. But you have another complication here with a state like South Carolina, because you have coastal concerns, right? You have the coastal flooding along with the flash flooding, and you have relatively low flat terrain, but that heavy rain could be adding up to 8 to 12 inches. You go a little further up in elevation here, Charlotte, yes, inland, and you're looking at as much as 5 to 8 inches of rainfall with gusty winds on top of that. Think of the situation right now. Trees are losing their leaves, so you have slick roadways on top of the flash flooding potential, and then you go higher up in elevation in Roanoke. And I keep mentioning the elevations because you have the rain also pouring down off the mountains into valley areas, and you get up to Norfolk too, another spot with the rain and the coastal flooding concerns.
You see the word Norfolk right there. As we're looking live at Charleston, you see some of the clouds. But going back now to what Maria's looking at, and Norfolk. So anyways, actually, Maria, you're going to come join me real quick. But just pointing out real quick, I'm going to pass you.
Okay.
Right in here, right there, that's where we find meteorologist Mike Seidel. He's on the beach right now because